Showing the turn signals. Both are on. And we have the LED relay in there. Let's see, both stay on no matter if I push the left or the right. Pull the cluster off, and what we want to do is get off the bulb, which is for the turn signal. And then on the back there'll be 3 bulbs there. You just twist it off, it'll look like this. What we do is remove that bulb, and I'm going to put an LED T5 bulb in it, and then I'll let you know how it works. Put it on. Let's try it now. Hit the see how it's flashing quick. You can see. I'll go up to the front. Show you how it's working now. Alright, let's go to the left. Works. It works, you see? Just like it should. This is for a 2008 Kawasaki Vulcan 900. So I'd imagine if you do LED swaps on other motorcycles, it'd probably be the same concept. Appreciate you guys for watching. Thanks for tuning in on the channel. Little quick how-to video. If you enjoyed it, if it was helpful, give me a thumbs up, comment, or share it. Helps me greatly grow. Thanks, guys. Much love.